I'm telling you, if you want the boys to respect you, you have to show them that you're serious. Blow something up. Shoot someone. Nothing gets a guy's attention like violence. Shut that door, lock it. Keep the sticky paws to yourself, okay?
This place?
Well, it ain't much, but it's better than a prison cell.
So fucking dope. Oh shit, is that a hyena in a bathtub?
I named him Bruce after that hunky Wayne guy. He's my little dumpling, aren't you? Aren't you, my little baby? Aren't you, Brucey? Love you. I never said that. I love you both equally. That's Cass. Nothing to worry about. Who's a good.
Who's this?
It's a beaver. Does Brucey want a treat? Does Brucey want a treat?
What's this?
It's art. Don't touch.
Here X or something?
You don't know who that is. The Joker. The clown prince of crime. My former partner in madness. The Harley Quinn of hate. The jester of genocide. You've never heard of him.
Oh, sounds like a dick.
Milk? Not going soft or nothing, but gotta admit, it's kind of nice having the kid around.